Gadget Squad, what's good? Today I got a triple feature for you from Benks. I got not one, not two, but 3 premium accessories to take your phone protection to the next level. First up is the ArmorTint Case built with real Kevlar fibers. Next in line, we have the Sapphire coated GlassWarrior screen protector. Oh yeah, you heard that right, Sapphire coated. Not only do these protect the physical aspect of your phone, this next one is going to protect your information. Finally, we have the Privacy Protection GlassWarrior screen protector. Stick with me to the end for a free giveaway. Let's jump into the ArmorTint Case. It's composed of 10,000D Kevlar, which makes it durable but incredibly lightweight. Remember, Kevlar is the same material used in bulletproof vests, aircraft parts, and firefighting equipment. If you want to protect your phone with anything, I would say it's with Kevlar. This case has a nice matte finish, and to add on, it's MagSafe approved. The fit is perfect. It's real snug with tactical space around the buttons, outputs, and inputs. For extra drop protection, there's also a lens guard around the camera. This screen protector here is the strongest in the market today. Sapphire is the 3rd hardest natural substance on Earth, behind diamond and moissanite. It's extremely durable and known for its scratch resistance. Let's go over installation. First thing you want to do is grab your phone and place it on top of the phone pad. Make sure your camera lens is not directly on the pad. Next, remove the old screen protector. With the cloth provided, wipe your phone screen. After that, do the same with a wet wipe. Next, we're going to use the dust remover stickers. Now grab the applicator. You want to align the up mark with the top earpiece of the phone and gently lower it down to all 4 edges. I'm just making sure it's secured here. Once you have it insured, pull the drawstring down at a steady pace until it's out. Now, press and hold this marked area to vent out all the air. Remove the applicator by pressing here and here. After the clicks, remove the applicator. And finally, just remove this film. The clarity on this is insane. Like, what impresses me is that you can't see the screen protector once it's installed, unlike all the other ones I had in the past. The durability on this GlassWarrior screen protector is very similar, but it adds a privacy filter that blacks out the screen from side angles. This is perfect for when you're at work, commuting, or just keeping nosy people out your notifications in general. I'm giving this product away to 1 lucky subscriber. To enter this giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, then drop a comment below with the keyword GlassWarrior in all caps. In your comment, include your Instagram or TikTok handle so I can reach out to you if you win. This giveaway is for US residents and it ends on August 10th. The winner will be picked randomly and announced right here in the description at 7 p.m. EST. You can find all the details in the description, just head over there. Good luck, and thanks for riding with me. Here's some more accessories from Benks you can attach to your case for added functionality. For 15% off, be sure to use my code GRH15 after you find what's for you. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay safe. Peace.